Hi, I'm Miss Lily from Lily's Music, doing a tutorial on Excerpt 4 for cellos for the TMEA Region 29 String Orchestra cello auditions. Wildfire starts off with some syncopated rhythms. It has an eighth note rest in between. So we're going to take this slow, count it out, and then we'll take it up to tempo. Starting at Wildfire, Excerpt 4. Remember, it's E on the C string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, and 3. Res. 1 and 2 and 3 and starting at measure 46, it does look a little bit tricky. It looks like it should be an E on the C string, but if you look closely, those are more like legato connected lines underneath, so it's actually an open C. That measure is all open strings with open C, open C, open D, and open G. Let's look at 28. At the beginning of it, remember, it's an eighth rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Look at those slurs over at 30. Down, up, down. Make sure you are going down, up, down, up, down, and counting it out and holding it for those 4 beats. It's beat 4, connected to beat 1, 2, 3 of the next measure. It's the exact same kind of bowing at measure 32. So if you could do it at 30, you could do it at 32 because it's same thing, down, up, down, up. If it's a little tricky, I recommend just doing open strings and then adding that left hand and make sure you're counting. If you go on over to measure 36, it's same thing, beat 4 tied to beat 1 and 2, and you change bows on the and. So 36, 1 and 2 and 3. Make sure you are counting that and not rushing it. If you go over to measure 38, where that forte starts, then same thing. 40. All it is down, up, 3, 4, A. And then 41 is the same but backwards. Same bowing though. Your bowing is down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Same thing. Down, up, down, up, down, up. After that, it's quarter notes, eighth notes, quarter notes, down, down. Make sure those eighth notes there are slurred down, down, and then it goes to. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck.